Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube in background in Galaxy A15 device. So guys, we have a default feature. First of all you guys have to do just go to Samsung browser here and then we have this option here. Just click here. After that, go to settings. Now tap to settings and then all you guys have to do just scroll down so that we have option of useful features. Just tap to useful features and then click to background play. Okay, as you see, we have three options. Number one is on, other one is only on headphones on external speaker. So if you have connected your headphone or external speaker from your mobile phone, so you can tap this feature. But if you are not using any headphone or speaker, so just click on and then go back. Okay, now we have to use YouTube on this browser only. So just tap any. I am selecting on copyright music. So as you see, the music is now start. I am now going to home. And the music is playing on the background. Now let me close the screen or lock the screen. So as you see, the music is also now running on the background. Here we have the pop-up. So that's how we can play YouTube on background in Galaxy A15 device. But guys, make sure that we can only use this browser and then enable this feature. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.